talking about?
These properties, all of them, both the farm, everywhere.
This is our father's house.
When I built this house, you were still in the womb of time. What properties are you talking about?
Well, Uncle, share these properties or I will burn down this house.
Yes.
Go to my house. Go and look for your father. You bastard. So share his
Uncle, we
properties.
are not bastards. Share these properties.
You want to burn? You want to burn my house?
Uncle,
You want?
Uncle, leave us.
You. Were you trying to bite me? Eh? Were you trying to bite me?
Leave me up. Uncle, burn down this house. I'll burn this house. No.
You want to burn which house?
Uncle, I'll burn you.
Come on.
Uncle, I'll burn you.
Burn. You.
You don't kill him. Oh, no, you just lie down and sleep.
Uncle? Uncle?
What happened?
Uncle?
You have killed him.
Who killed him? Are you not the one that hit him?
No, I kill him. Are you not the one that carry food?
Did you first touch him? Stop now, Jackie. I pushed him, Kwa. How can my strength push him?
How can my own strength
Stop,
touch him?
stop that rubbish. Uncle?
Uncle?
Wait, let's check if he have die. Uncle? This guy fellow, let my people go. This guy fellow, let my people go. Go down to Iji. Fellow, let my people go. Go down, let my people go. Let my people go. Go down to Iji. Fellow, let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go. Go down to Iji. Fellow, let my people go.
Remember that teacher that flogged us? Hey, it's true. We would let us do our fault. Yeah.
Let's hide this.
Boat!
No, it's chocolate.
It's you sheep.
Nonsense. You get my floggers.
Flogger, you know who will be?
I don't know. Because of school fees. School fees of
What
how
nice
much?
school fees, oh,
How
that we can
much?
even afford.
What have I done to deserve this?
What have you done? What have you done?
You don't know what you have done, Abi.
Nonsense. You not flog us. In fact, if you talk again now, I'll
fire you now
and
again.
hit your head.
So you both are this dangerous?
Yes. Yes.
When you are flogging us, you don't know that we are dangerous.
In fact,
We are very diabolic.
avoid us. Shoot her again. Shoot her again. Shoot her. Go.
Why did you not run?
Nonsense.
Oh, Christmas. No, go. Make I share my Christmas. Oh, Banza.
This is scared of you.
You should come again now.
Yeah, let's go.
At least I am meant to go to you.
Yes, I agree with that.
Let's
Let's
go,
go and tell fellow. Let my people go. Let's go and tell fellow. Let my people go. No down. Oh, Egypt. I tell fellow.
Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They know the preacher of love. They like trouble.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I was actually on my way to your house.
To my house?
Yes, ma.
Hope all is well.
All is not well, oh. It's your children. They stoned me catapult when I was coming back from school this evening.
Hey,
Just because I flogged them in school.
Hey, Auntie Biko, sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Hope they did not wound you.
I was not wounded, but it hurts.
Hi. Sorry, Biko. I will tell their father and their father will caution them. It won't happen again. You know, it won't happen again.
Please, you really need to caution those children. They are causing havoc in school.
Auntie Biko, just bear with them, Biko. Oh, sorry. But I will talk to their father. Oh, he will caution them.
Thank you, ma.
Sorry, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, now, these children will not put me in trouble.
God. What kind of human being will give birth to this bunch of troubles and call them children? Eh? One day, one trouble. One day, one trouble. If Afuma were to be alive, she would have told me where she got these children from. I don't understand. If not for civilization, I would have sold them into slavery and used the proceeds to bet in playing draft. Eh? What kind of problem is this? Anyway, they will come and meet me in this house. Hey, come here. Where do you think you are going to? Into my house. They told them fire. This is your mouth you used to greet good afternoon. What good thing ever comes from you? Eh?
What happened?
What happened? You don't know what happened. Why did you go and fight your teacher? No, tell me, why did you fight your mistress?
Uncle, you are the cause now. You not give us our school fees. So she flogged us and injured us. We have to react.
And we have been telling you since, but you paid deaf ears.
May thunder fire this your mouth for you to speak this rubbish. Did you make money for me? Eh? All the school fees I've been paying. What is the result? You kept on failing, repeating classes. Now let me tell you. Whatever the outcome is from this beating you beat your mistress, whatever the school decides to do, I wash my hands off it. You will pay with your heads.
Uncle, it's because the teachers, they hate us. That's why they keep failing us. Yes, so we repeat class.
And Uncle Sevi.
Why would they hate you? Why? Now get out of my sight.
Well, our school bags are coming.
Let's talk. Get out of my store, you stupid. I don't fear. Get out from there. Look at his face. A nonetheless mosquito that has sucked so much blood. Hey, these children, they will not kill me. They will not kill me.
You why is because our mother is no more. That's why he's treating us like that.
Even that is why I'm thinking that she's good. Now, Uncle has the first that with that is bad character.
I don't know.
Maggie, I don't know what to do.
Now what did I do when you go give me this car slap now?
Why will you hold me like that?
At least I have no plan.
What were you thinking?
No,
Because I laughed and played with you yesterday. You now saw it as an advantage to misbehave. Respect yourself. And don't repeat this again. Do I look like your kind? Don't you know there are lots of sizes of shoes?
I want biscuits. That biscuit has to be separate.
So shoe don't they get size for our matabi? Even if shoe go get size for this house, now you be size of my own when I see. Now that got you. Now you want go.
Snake!
You be maid. Okay. I be gatekeeper. Now me and you supposed to match together.
You go tire for them. Let's not be preacher of love.
You're very stupid. Leave my side. Leave my side, so I'm going to scream.
Nobody
You know what will happen.
No good. Now this can't if they hear rape everywhere. Now this can't they cause someone.
What did you say? I didn't hear you well. What did you say?
It no make sense say me and you did this compound together. Small palliative will for the share. Nobody go hear am. You go just dey deny me. It no make sense so.
Did you hear the horn at the gate?
I hear am, but we for solve this thing first now. I love you.
Come on, go and open the gate.
Maybe I go open now. We first solve this thing now. I love you. Even though he slapped me, I don't care. I love you.
But when my husband has refused to give us food, you think we will die? We will not die. Tell her! We will not die.
Didn't you hear the sound?
We will live to testify the goodness of the Lord in our life. Amen, Lord. Amen.
Stop your mouth there, ba.
But
if you do and you are caught,
see, it's too late.
I and my husband will not be involved. Open na me.
Don't be called boy.
Come here! I said come here! What's wrong with you?
Yeah, man.
How dare you keep me outside there? Are you stupid? Look at her!
Okay, madam, no offense. I be the purge. Now I don't go toilet, I go cook and come
You're a big fool. Were you employed here to come have a running stomach? Are you mad? You always have one silly excuse or the other, all the time. Are you mad? You were employed to come discharge your duties with all diligence. You always give him... In fact, I don't care what happens to you. If you like, bleed to death. Ah! Okay, what's stopping from having Maggie come stand in for you until you're out? This is an organized house. A residential place. In fact, this is not a slum. Don't bring that your slum life into this place. And let it not repeat itself again, because I will skin you to death. I will kill... In fact, I will kill you. Idiot. Get me there honking like a mad woman.
I'm not going to try him again.
Wesley, thank you. Wesley. Go!
Yeah, man.
You have not seen anything yet. Next time, it will be 2x4. No, or better still, what we call la raclette.
What is the situation this time, Doctor?
Chief, I know you can't stand that. So I just have to give it to you right away. Chief, are you hearing me? We should start making preparations.
Is it as bad as that?
Even worse. Are you hearing me? You are supposed to have died about a month ago.
Dr. Moses, I will tell you that death is afraid of people like me.
Well, that might be so, Chief. But say it doesn't change the fact that you have less than a month to live.
That's exactly what you told me 2 months ago, but I'm still here.
Chief, even if 2 months after, that is what I will still do. I'll come back on Monday to check on you. That is if you are still alive.
Hey, I will be alive, Dr. Moses. You should be talking about yourself. If you still be alive to come and check me.
Chief, I don't wish you dead. I would prefer you alive, but you can still bet on that.
Please, Dr. Moses, pass me my phone.
Good luck, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know.
Love it?
Yeah, very nice.
There you go. No.
Thank you. Again.
Really? Mary! Raymond! What's going on here? What are you doing, my kid sister?
What? Your kid sister?
Of course she is. Besides, you told me you will not be going out today, so what are you doing here?
Yeah,
Cynthia, what is it? What's the problem? Why are you shouting?
Will you shut up, you disgusting boyfriend snatcher? Mimi, why are you like this? Why do you love everything I love? Why do you want to have everything I have? You stupid bitch.
Listen, Sissy, I will not have you call me names in public. Don't try it, Sissy. You're not stupid.
Don't try it!
No.
Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Wait, you know what?
Are you mad?
Let's not do this. Let's not do this.
You don't try this again! Don't try it ever in your life! Don't try! Don't try me! You're my elder sister, so respect yourself! Respect yourself! Respect yourself! Respect in public! In public! Sit down! You will kill you! I'll kill you! Sit down!
They not be preacher of love. They like trouble. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them. They not be preacher of love. Which kind children be this? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Now children be this. Be now adults them be. I tire for them.
Who's that? He's coming!
Where's he?
See. Is it not Bono Kung's son?
Where is he?
He wants to meet me.
But I can't see him now.
Okay, maybe he has gone back.
Go, nobody's chasing you.
Hey.
Yes.
Thanks. Nonsense. Go. Tata 2000. I was touching the other one, but I don't get to bring it. But anyway now we money. Nonsense. There you go, Gina. I go get change. You want to change.
I am in no mood for phone calls right now. Leave me alone.
Ma, it's Inspector Yemi that is calling.
When I call you, answer.
Hello? Hello, Yemi? My daughters? Where?
At the restaurant, bro. I have never been in such a mess in my life. I already told Cynthia that I wasn't going out today. How could I have known these two were sisters? None of them ever mentioned it to me.
Listen, man. All hope is not lost. I still believe we can work out something. Trust me.
How?
We have brains. And God created brains for us to think. Okay? Considering the fact that she's a billionaire's daughter, you know all what we stand to gain in this. So giving up right now is not an option.
I need a drink, bro. I need to ease off.
Oh. I have no problem with that, provided we strategize and plan ahead.
Leave my man alone for me. Mimi, I am talking to you. Leave my man here. You have no shame. You have no shame. You have no shame. You cannot shame the shameless. Leave my man alone. He loves me. I will not. Leave my man alone. Leave him alone. This guy don't love you. Stop it. What is going on? This small girl. I will marry before you. What is wrong with you two? Hey! Has it gotten to this extent? Mommy, Cynthia, I said shut up! Fight
fighting before even the security man? People hearing your voices in this house? Embarrassing this family at this point in our lives? You fighting over a boy? Who is this boy? Who is his father? Mom, I said shut up! I said just stop. Stop! What is wrong with you two? No, what kind of shame are you bringing to our family at this point? Your father is there battling with his life and needs all the care and love he can get from us. And here you are fighting over a boy. Oh, this is a shame! This is disgusting! What is this? Graduates of Harvard? What kind of character are you exhibiting for people to see? Are we known like this? Are we known for this? I don't blame you too. It's because your father provides you with everything you need. Because your mates out there cannot even see half of the comfort you see. Can you just leave me and go to your rooms? Mommy, I said shut! Shut!
Maggie, why you be say Madam Cynthia? Now quarrel be her food day and night, and she know that allow that younger one may breathe her to any small thing. Bam, bam, bam. Go dey shout like a dog wey born one. Upon as her back big, now so her wahala big.
Stop being silly. Anyway, I believe Mimi must have taken enough from her and she couldn't stand it anymore. So she had to stand her ground and face her back.
Yes, now. Even go to get where they go beat and reach for wall like they go change her for who they beat them. Maybe she stand for her ground, I beg. The thing don't do too much. She thinks say all her power this thing, saifwa.
Oui, regarder les grosses fesses des femmes, c'est tout ce que tu sais faire. Idiot.
Now me they talk to Abi, get who they talk to?
I'm talking to myself. You, one day this your mouth, this your lousy mouth will land you into trouble.
See, all these things where they happen here, you not supposed to concern me and you. Just day your lane for this house, make me day my lane. Now employ they employ me. All these things, you know, concern me. If you like, they speak whatever you like, you know, concern me.
Well done,
if they don't start fight, just go speak that language for them.
You spoke well now. Right now, you just said what you're supposed to say. Mind your business. You're the one who is not minding your business here.
I blame you. Because say I get time constant they discuss with you. I supposed to talk with my fellow men. I can't they gossip with woman. I beg you. Quarrel volume 2. Did you hear that voice? Cynthia's voice high past this time.
Nyala.
Let me go and witness.
Ewu Gambia, see this one. Don't mind your business. I'm a poor.
I know say na you go be. Maggie, why you be say every time you go the waka goes to waka? You go the waka goes to waka. See why you make my heart fly go now. Small thing for don't cross border.
Just look at you. Claiming to be a man. Man my foot.
Where you come concern man for this matter? Okay, man na man. A man go always be man. Try me for bed. If I no bend this your waist, knock you twins, or even make an three. Ever, knock you twins, or even knock you three.
That shut up. That is all you know how to do. This.
I make that they call her manpower now. I make that they call her manpower. But wait to Maggie. This life no get head at all. Life no balance. How them oga pikin them go dey this big house? They fight because of a man. Wey be say somebody like me wey dey this house for them since they no even send me. You wey I say man try manage. You dey buga, they carry shoulder for me. Look at you.
Mind your business. Yes, mind your business. And that is your business. At the gate. Stay here before Madam will come and meet you. Rubbish.
As who employ him now? I blame you. They eat free food, they robust. But wow, Ojebe. Now like this, my destiny will just dey grow. See me, I don't dey old. I did this house. Fine boy like me, no pimple. God bless me finish. Give me heavy of ekwe. He give me heavy of ekwe. That year when I did Bini, no girl where I knock when they call me chairman. Now they go they fight for this house because of a man. Because they never try me. May they know say I be small body but big engine. Heavy duty. But they hear me now. Who know? This is my mouth.
Can you imagine what my younger sister did? Dragging my own boyfriend with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I'm serious. Yes. I almost strangled her today. Yes, I almost strangled her. I saw her with my man. It's not small something, no. And then we go back to the house again. She started making trouble. But I told her to stay away from my parts. I told her. Because the next time she tries that, I will kill her with my own hands.
You will do no such thing. But do you really need to go that far? Causing a scene in public? It doesn't really suit your personality. For God's sake, this girl in question is your younger sister, your kid sister.
She is
Why
my
not
kid
talk to her?
sister. She is my kid sister, like you said. That is the reason she has to stay away from my path. I mean, she stole my man away from me. Like it's not going to happen now. It's not going to happen. She should go and look for her own man. Raymond is my man.
Why not talk to your man instead?
Well, he's a man. My sister was the one that was just all over him. Can you imagine? She should go and look for her own man and leave my Raymond for me.
So you want to strangle your sister because of a man? You want to kill your sister because of a man?
I have told her to stay away from me in this house, outside this house. The next time she tries it, I will make sure I kill her with my own hands. Just get ready for a funeral.
You will do no such thing. Just try and talk to your sister. You want to kill your sister because of a man?
Yes! She should stay away from me, oh. She should stay away from me.
Imagine what
It's
you're
not
saying.
easy to get a man. So this one that I have, I will not allow Mimi or anybody to steal him away from me. It's not easy.
You want to kill your sister because of Raymond?
Are you on my side or are you... I don't understand.
I'm definitely with you, but that doesn't... What you're saying now doesn't really make sense.
Please.
Going
Olivia.
around beating your sister in
Olivia,
public.
if you're not with me, then you have to leave my house.
What's up, bro? What's up?
They are not taking their calls. I didn't bargain for all of this. This is not just the way I planned this.
Relax, bro. It's just today. Maybe they have other things they are sorting at home.
What if they are still fighting? This is going to make their mom hate me so much. Mimi is just the one I love. She's just the one I want. Cynthia was just because of the visa thing and I just had to play along. I'm not a gold digger, bro. I didn't bargain for all of this.
Relax, Raymond. No one called you a gold digger. Maybe you're just having a white thought. It's normal. But just relax. I told you, one step at a time. We'll sort it out.
Baby, I'm okay. I'm fine. Let me come out so you see me well. I'm fine, my love. I'm okay. I miss you too. So how's work? Man, I'm just here, oh my love. I'm just here missing you like crazy. Like I can't wait to hold you, I can't wait to kiss. Look at you. Oh, you're so crazy. What a man. Okay. You know me now, sexy as always. All for you. No, I'm not going out. I'm just here. Yeah. Maybe stop now. Look at you. Go away, Joe. So, what's up? Yeah, there's this village guy disturbing me, following me all over. Everywhere. You don't trust me again. He's not my spec. Oh my God! I swear. He's so ugly. Ew. Oh. Very ugly. Ugly guy. Yes. You know now, you're my spec 100%. You're so cute. You're so sweet. You're so loving. Oh, I miss you so much, my love, honestly. Yeah. Really. Okay, I can't wait to see you.
Uncle, please now.
You're running! You're running! You're running!
Take it easy on them.
It's alright.
You will follow.
Just remain where you are. Remain where you are, because if you come back here, you will see. Leave their house.
They're just devils. Leave them.
Leave their house. Even that you had the argument with them, we wouldn't have known that they intentionally did that yesterday. Idiots.
Now you will follow. Don't mind them. Baba.
Hey, it's secret. Later yesterday, I was shaking.
We are sorry. I'm big now.
Idiots. You is not minded. You are a woman. You think in the kind of capacity you have, I have it. You can hold yourself. I cannot hold myself.
Yeah, let's do it. Let me go and rub your way.
You are awake already. How are you?
As you can see, I am not dead. I am still a strong man. I've told you all that death is afraid of people like me.
My love, we cannot run away from the obvious. It's a reality that is always hitting us on the face.
Let it not worry you so much. I have a 2 beautiful daughter and...
And what?
an enormous empire. My children and you. Anyway, let me inform you. Barrister Charles will be coming to the office today with some document. So I will want you to assist him in any way he may need your assistance, please.
Sure, I will.
So you may leave now, so that you not miss the schedule.
No problem. Just be strong, okay?
All right.
I'll soon be back.
All right. I'm
You take
waiting
care.
for you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Now children be this, be now adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you reject. Now what you they go they like to do.
Am I too small for you not to see me and greet me in this village? Did you know that I am your elder?
Which elder? Should I see person? No, no saying about it. No saying. Which elder? See, I don't want me to disrespect my door. I don't want to disrespect anybody. So leave me. I've come.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you because your mates are in the school busy reading their books. But you are here gallivanting around. Look at you.
Alright, shut up. Are you not supposed to be married by now? Because you know, you are walking around Nagari Kuala. You see? Even which girl we even agree to marry you? Go on, Nejam.
What do you know like they go they do to you? If you like you vex, like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? They can learn so. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door. The one want them.
Can you just stop? Just stop it. I love you too. I want to hear it again. Tell me you love me. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I love you too, baby. I love you. Stop it. Okay. When would that be? Tomorrow. I don't know how my tomorrow will be, though. But I'll call you. Okay, I don't know how my tomorrow will be, but I'll call you. Okay, love. Can you please stop? You're making me shy. Yes? You're making me shy. Just stop it.
Happiness, everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think about, be careful today. Think about.
Jack. Why are you crying? What happened?
Uncle is a very wicked man. You don't need to give us food at all. If you take food by ourselves, you punish us.
Food? If you take food, he will punish you people.
Yes.
What of your sister?
Me, Rose.
Yeah.
She's having punishment because she took food for us.
Because of food?
Yes.
Now, what do you want me to give you now?
If you can give me money for food, I will appreciate it. Don't give me food though. Give me money for food.
Let me go and buy food for you.
No, don't worry. I'm a very nice man. So I'm a very nice boy. You can give me money.
If I give you money now, you'll be okay.
Yes. Is that all?
This is 1,000 naira.
I'm going to go to first.
You are fine now, ba?
Yeah.
Alright, stop crying, stop crying. Just try. It's okay. Now get up. Go and look for something to buy. After that, go home. Stop crying. You understand?
Thank you.
Don't cry. Stop crying. I'll be going.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, no,
Ele go defesa de ser com uma. Os que tá ali todo, na quartinho de manhã, quartinho. Nonsense. Nonsense. Ele liguei 1,000 naira. Ele liguei na. Ele go comer nada tinha. Eu me atinge. Os que tá ali com eu nada tinha. Mas atinge.
Wahala day for the side door. The money won't take a loan. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door. The money they know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, ya be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door. The one won't take a ransom. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side.
What's that? Hey, come here. What have you done again? So what is it? I've got it. A big fat rat. You see? You see yourself? Good. William, I caught him. That have been stealing my money. I have caught this one, a very big fat rat. You see yourself? So you've been in that. You are not just mosquitoes. You are rats. Look at this one. A big fat rat. This your finger, eh? We will take you to the hospital. We will cut it off.
Holy Ghost fire!
Hey, Holy Ghost fire! Yeah. No, Holy Ghost fire!
Why would you steal now?
How can you ask that question? A thief is a thief. Many days are for the thief. 1 day is for the owner. Good.
Wait.
Pull it! So that we cut it. What is this? No. You see?
Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear.
Sir, your coffee is ready. Sir, I said your coffee is ready. Sir? Sir? Sir, your coffee is ready. Sir? Sir? Oga? Oga?
This is painful. Oh yes, I know. Oh, this may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you.
Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Auntie, it's not very so. Madam Mimi, say my attending the car one use and go some far. Please, Mimi. Come on, give me the key, idiot. Give me the key. Idiot. I appreciate it. Give me that nonsense. Next time, try this nonsense again. I will get the living daylight out of you. Nonsense. Go. Thank you.
Utter and finish what someone said.
Oh.
What else do you know how to do than to bully people and take what's not yours? He just told you that I am going to use this car. Why are you making troubles? Why?
Are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you.
Look at this small girl. Listen, you are my kid's sister.
You.
I'm only tolerating you because of our parents. And most especially because of mom, because I don't want to hurt her. Mimi, stay away from my affairs.
I should be the one telling you that. Cynthia, you have no shame. What is wrong with you? Why are you going after a man that does not love you? Cynthia, have some shame. Have some shame, Cynthia. Really? Please, I beg you. Just let me be. Avoid me. I want to make use of this car. That's why I asked him to clean it up. Please, Cynthia, avoid me this afternoon.
Come on, shut up! I said shut it! Okay, have the keys. Nonsense. Because I'm keeping quiet in this house, right? Listen, stay away from my affairs. Stay away!
Ma.
And what is it? What is it?
Mimi, your father
is not reacting.
What do you mean?
I went to serve him his coffee and he's not waking up.
What do you mean my father is not reacting?
I don't know. Your father.
My dad?
Yes.
Where is he? It's not possible.
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy. Daddy, stand up. I don't understand. Daddy. Eh? What? Is it? Eh? Daddy! Daddy! What? Daddy. Daddy, wake up! Wait, he's not breathing! Not breathing! Daddy, no, it's not possible, Daddy! Daddy!
Hello? Hello? Barrister Charles on the line. Oh my God. So sorry about that.
Hello? Cinti, baby. How are you? What? It's a lie. Oh my goodness. Sweetheart, you know what? I have food on the fire. Once I'm done cooking, I will come straight to your house. Please, you need to calm down, okay? I'm so sorry. Alright, I'll see you very soon. Oh God. No. Cynthia.
Ojebe, food is ready, so come to the kitchen and carry your food.
Oh, which kind of food is ready? Which kind of food is ready? I don't know how they're hungry. I don't want to happen for this house. It's still they tell me food. I don't know hungry, I beg.
Including you?
Including me, what do I do now? Including me, what do I do?
Madam just refused to eat.
So if madam, you go chop food, you shit and come out. You can't even make it touch my mouth. You don't get sense. Come out. You don't get sense.
Please, I'm not in for all this. When you're ready to eat, come to the kitchen.
Oh God, why?
Where do I go from here? Where do I start from? Chief, why now? Barrister, although Ubacha, Chief has left us.
Madam, take heart, okay? Mimi, my condolences. Cynthia, take heart, okay? Take heart.
They must be going through a lot right now. I can't even be there to console my girl. Too bad.
Raymond, one step at a time. Like I told you, everything will fall into place. I mean, you should be happy at this point that the father is no longer alive. I mean, we're getting closer to the main deal.
What is wrong with you, Jamal? Don't you have conscience? They just lost their father and all you could think of is money, money, money.
Oh, come on! We are in this racket for money and not for love. And this is the freaking why I introduced you to Mimi. But instead you fell in love with Cynthia because of your visa. Fine and good. I don't have a problem with that. Alright? Alright, but we need to stick to the plan. You don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I need that money.
I fell in love in the process. Can't you get it? We can still get this money without hurting anyone.
Lover boy, don't make me get people involved in this. We need to strategize. New things and new ideas will unfold. Don't fuck with me.
I hate you, Jamal. So fucking hate you.
Why will God allow this to happen to good people? To a good person like Oga?
You ask me who I go ask. Who I go ask?
He promised me that I was going to go back to school. He said he was going to help my family. Why now?
Minka, tell me about my salary now. You can't tell me. I don't see how.
Oga, why did you go so soon? Why did you have to die so soon? He was a good man. He used to help the poor, the orphans, even the widows.
That wicked, sha. That wicked. You know if you start being informed person before you go come. If now what that they use power do, I go come in now. I gotta go fight with that. I gotta go show.
I just hope they are not going to sack us.
Marquisio, if you know what you know they do well for this house before, but begin to do it well. Because me, I got to man my mouth and my leg now. I'm not going to work anyhow.
God, Chief, why? Oga, why? Why so soon?
Oh God, Cynthia, stop crying, please. Please, you have to stop crying. My darling, sorry. Please, you need to be strong. You need to be strong for the sake of your mom and your kids, sis. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. You want to make me cry. Stop. Stop crying. Cynthia. Cynthia, will you stop? Oh, God. Stop crying. Stop. Stop crying, please. Please, my love, you need to stop crying. Stop crying. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. feel your pain. Stop crying, please, my darling. Please, you need to be strong. You need to be strong.
I want to know if I can set the dining.
Go ahead, but I'm not hungry.
Sorry, ma. Even though it's just a little to help you sustain this, please.
Just go. I'm fine. People should go ahead and eat.
Cynthia, I don't know why I'm having this feeling. I'm just not comfortable with this decision you're about to make. Why would you want to get a visa for a man who is not even your husband? A man that you're not even sure of. Who does that?
He's my boyfriend. He's my man. I've known him for a long time. It's not like he's someone that I just met.
Yeah, I know that he is your man. But getting him a visa is very wrong. Trust me. Girl, after all our years in the university, you want to make this kind of mistake? Girl, this is 21st century. Open your eyes. How can you get a visa for a single man, a man that is not even your husband? A single girl getting a visa for a single man?
He's my man. The deed has been done already. I have gotten the visa for him, so what else do you want me to do?
It's a lie. It's a lie.
You know how these things are now. You have a boyfriend, you should understand.
Yes, I know I have a boyfriend, but I can't do such. So you've already gotten the visa for him?
Yes.
Cynthia, I just hope you're doing the right thing. Because honestly, I'm not comfortable with this. I am not.
Girls, for crying out loud. You're spoiling them. It's too much.
Come on, sweetheart. They're my children. Huh? And ought to enjoy my wealth. Okay, what is the essence of making so much money if I cannot take care of my kids and give them the best?
It's not pumping them with money is the best. That is not the best. Give them what they need. Don't spoil them with money. How about tomorrow you don't have this money to give them? What happens? Come on.
Sweetheart, I am not complaining, please. Yes.
Dad and Mom are gossiping us. what you two were gossiping about.
Yes, we would like to hear it.
Funny you gossiping, you my children.
Yes.
I'm only discussing with my sweet wife.
Daddy?
Yeah.
We got 1.5 million each. Daddy, we never asked for money.
Yes.
Must you ask me for money before I give it to you?
No.
You know you girls have made me proud. So I give you whatever you want.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
In fact, Daddy, you are the best in the whole world.
And we love you.
So much, Daddy. Thank you.
Because I did not give money. Maybe probably I'm the worst mom.
Mommy, you're the best mommy in the
Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know. This may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow.
I'm sorry. I
understand.
No, you don't. I was supposed to be there for you. I was supposed to console you. I was supposed to encourage you and not to stay away from you.
I know you couldn't come because of my sister. And my mom, she wouldn't want to see you. Because you're the reason we fought. Since you told me that there is nothing going on between you and my sister,
I don't want this relationship to stop. I believe all you told me. I believe you. And you know I can do anything to make you happy. You know I can do that.
I love you.
I love you too. So much.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Mimi. We are not supposed to fight over a man. It's supposed to be the other way around. Listen, I was just being stupid and foolish for letting a man to come in between us, despite Daddy's warnings. Mommy is so worried about us. We need to bond as sisters. Yet we keep long faces.
Cynthia, it wasn't entirely my fault. I tried to...
I know. It's all my fault. I didn't give us chance to talk about it. I'm so sorry. I went into your phone and I saw your conversations with him. I saw everything. He wants you. He loves you more. The things he said to me are quite different from what he said to you. You know, the whole thing is clear to me that I'm the one forcing myself on him.
Come on, Raymond, say it to me. Say it face to face. Tell me that you actually meant what you said over the phone to me. Come on, say it!
Look, Cynthia, you're a very nice person, all right? And it's just that, well...
It's just that. It was all about the visa procurement, right? No, say it!
Look, Cynthia, the truth is, I never wanted to be in a relationship with you. It is Mimi that I really love. But along the line, when we met, concerning the visa thing, it was just all about the visa. I couldn't tell you. I was waiting for the right time to open up to you before this whole thing came out like this. I never meant it to happen this way. But I appreciate the time we spent together. You're a nice person, like I said, but...
I had known it. I knew it that you never loved me. But I was crazy because I thought I was in love with you. I see. That is why you always complain. You're not available for me. You don't even have my time. You know what? I wish you well with her. Oh, don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Don't! He still loves you. I want you two to be. Mimi, I want us to rekindle the love we shared as sisters. I miss you. Mom needs us now more than ever.
It's okay, my dear sister. Seriously, I missed you so much. I miss us.
Yes, I think it is time for me to bring back my children. I'm a former. I want to reunite them, even if it's the last thing I do before I am gone. Yeah. Exactly. So I really want you to do something very fast. Go in search of them and bring them back to the house. Whatever it will cost me, I am ready to pay for my wrongs. I will pay anything, anything. I want them to be around so that I can write my wills. Please get into action immediately. Whatever it will cost me, I will do it. Yeah. Please, help me. All right. Bye for now.
You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? They go show you Pepe. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them, they go show you Pepe.
Are you sure Uncle Achebe will not chase us out because of what we did?
Chase us for what? He will not do anything. He'll just be shouting. Okay, how many times has he even threatened to chase us out of the house? Has he chased us? He will not chase us.
I don't know because I'm scared. If he chases us now, I don't know where we will go.
Scared of what? You don't need to sound like that now. Don't talk like that. Okay, see. We have been staying at home. We are not going to school because he said he don't have money to pay our school fees. But he has money to be spending on drinks and his wife. Is he good?
Rose, you are right. Yes, you are right. In fact, we will be doing more to him so he will understand that wickedness is not good. I don't have mouth.
Now you talk like man beat.
It's human voice. Wait, it sounds like Okaka's voice. Let's run.
Who is there? Who is there? You will leave my house today. You will leave it today. Take your rags and leave the house.
Uncle, please now.
Leave today.
Uncle, please now. We will not do it again.
My husband, pick on me. My husband, pick on me. Don't pick on me. What is it? You say this once. They must leave my house. Go and meet your father. The spirit of my late sister will understand that I've done my best.
No, you've done your part. But the villagers, what would they say?
They can say anything for all I care. They can say anything. Look, it's motherless baby's home that you deserve. Go there.
Please, we will not do it again. Please.
You are still there?
Yes, we do.
You don't want to go?
Yes, sir.
Right. Wait for me.
Thank you, sir.
Hey! Why are you running? Why you... Come! Take it! Idiot! Take! Why are you running? If you come near my house again, I will cut you into pieces and feed your flesh to the dogs. Idiots! Don't be coming!
Uncle, before Dad. Uncle. Thank you, sir.
thing now. Wait till leave me, Maggie, leave me.
So you had the guts, you had the effrontery to come and pick me, Abi?
Which time I take pipi? You get eye for back. How even take no say pipi?
So you think I saw you?
I saw you. You know say person dey pipi. You know fit turn. No be only back you turn they give me for window. You know only wicked, you stingy.
How dare you? So you finally got what you wanted, eh? You are very stupid. Useless boy.
Stop now. That's nothing when I see I do. No be see I see am.
Stupid thing.
You just get luck, sha. I know sabi beat woman, but next time you see wetin I do you, I will use my vehicle, flog you. I will give you where. God no go help me punish you. I will use this one punish you. Nonsense girl. And so you go find day here, you know, allow person touch you even if not once.
Achebe, please. Solve this. These are your late sister's children. Your own blood. For goodness sake, they are like your own children too. Okay, if you chase them away now, where do you expect them to go? Where do you expect them to go? Do I look like I care? No. Do you think I care? They can go to anywhere. Yes, anywhere you want them to go, let them go. And point of correction, don't ever refer to them again as my blood or children. I can never give birth to these useless mosquitoes. Look at the way they are looking at me. You see? See that one? Don't try it again. They are not my children. Listen to what? No, listen to what? Are you not in this village? Have you not been hearing or seeing what they've been doing to me? Have you not? Do you even know the latest? Do you know what they did to my wife and I today? Do you know? Maybe I know you very well. If you were to be in my shoes, you would have killed them by now. Now you are here, you're posing holier than thou attitude to me. Don't try it.
Uncle, we are sorry. It was a mistake. We have changed.
May mistake and sorry kill both of you. Idiots. Tata. Ajebe, temper justice. Because they apologizing already. They will change.
We have changed already.
You see that? You see? They have changed. You're still talking. And you are still here. You are still talking. Wait for me. Achebe.
I trust my husband. I know what he can do.
But Amaka, you should have.
The last time he said something like this.
No, where are you running? Come here. Idiot. Go to motherless baby's home. If you come close to my house again, you see what I do to you. And you are still here.
I told you about Wanga.
If you come to my compound again because of this little rat, you will see what I'll do to you.
Nah, it's okay.
I know if you are.
Nah, it's okay.
I told you not to beg me about this. Now go inside. Go!
Rose, I told you should not do this shit. I want Ghana female. Now we have seen where landed us. Get back Ghana. Where do you want us to go? We are homeless. Stop, Jack. Stop behaving like a woman. Be a man. We'll see a way. Which kind of way? Me, I'm hungry and tired. Me too, I'm hungry and tired. But why would I complain when you're already behaving like a woman? Let's just see. God is the father of the fatherless, mother of the motherless. So we'll see. He will make where is that God now? Stop complaining now. Stop complaining. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. What is Are you a goat? So you don't know that I'm tired there and even hungry. But I keep complaining now. Maybe if I go away, I'll go my own way. Come back here. Stop being crazy. Come here now. Stop being stupid. I want to go my own way. Leave me. I go my own way. So I should leave you. Come back here because. Leave me. Come back here. Leave me now. I'm going my own way. Jesus.
Sorry, Mr. Charles. The traffic here is something else.
Everything you need is in there, including the pictures. Find them, wherever they are. There's no time. Those kids are keys to my client. He's dying and he needs them to return back to him with the mothers. We're going to pay you anything you want. Make sure you find them as soon as possible.
I'll do my best, sir.
You get the balance as soon as the job is done.
I'll try my best, sir.
Okay, Maduka. If you walk straight, just walk straight now. You go by your right. Yes, your right. You see one big mansion. One big mansion. By the back of it. At the back of the mansion. You see.
Okay, if I walk straight now,
yes.
is it the first street or the second street?
The first street by your right. The first street by your right like this. It's good.
I'm looking for one lady. Has not the average height. Looking, she's beautiful.
What's her name?
Afoma. Afoma is her name.
Oh, Afoma.
Yeah.
She's our new tenant. That's her apartment over there, but it seems like she's not around. She was going to market.
Okay. So what time is she coming back?
She comes up between 5-6.
Okay. Okay, then I'll get back again, okay?
All right, okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah? I'm grateful.
Thanks.
Hello, barrister. Yeah, I have some information for you. Okay, where? Okay, no problem. Then see you tomorrow then. Okay.
What is the problem now? This guy is keeping me waiting. What's the problem? What's up, Dunga?
I'm cool. Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
So?
Yeah, I found out where they stay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they stay at Omunze village, far away in the east.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and also discovered their mom is late. She died of heart attack. Yeah, the kids now stay with their mom, elder brother in the village there.
Oh, okay. Oh no, her former. What a pity. Anyway, I will relate with my client and we'll see how we can go and locate them.
Okay.
It's all right. Thank you and
Thank
nice
you
job,
very much.
Dunga.
You're welcome, bro.
Nice job.
Thank you.
It's all right. I will get back to you.
Okay.
It's all right.
You called me.
Yes, Afoma did. Go to the kitchen and the store. Go check for the things we need in the house so that you make a list and quickly go to the market to get them.
Yes, ma'am.
What is wrong with you? You've been sleeping here and there since morning. What is it?
Ma'am, I have a slight fever. I've gotten some drugs. I'll be fine in no time.
You've gotten some drugs and you have fever. Who told you it's fever? I am not an advocate of self-medication. I would advise you go to the hospital if you persist so that you see the doctor.
Yes.
But I know she'll be fine. That could be stress. Our former does not rest. She likes walking. So seeing the doctor will be the best option.
I just hope so. I don't like someone taking medication without doctor's prescription.
What are you saying?
I'm pregnant.
What? Wait, you mean you did not take what I asked you to take that day? God!
Madam is already suspecting me. In no distant time, she's going to find out. And you know I cannot hide this forever.
You know what? You will abort it.
Ha! You want me to die?
Nothing will happen to you. Wait, what will you have me do? For another woman to have a child for me? No. You know I'm already married with 2 beautiful daughters. Do you want to rape my marriage? Huh? Okay, see, I will take care of it. I will handle it. I will take you to a professional, not quack doctors.
I'm scared. I don't want to die.
I said, forget about death. You will not die. You know what? Make sure Madame did not know about this, nor even hear it. I will send you some good money as soon as we go inside.
I don't want to die.
You will not die. I will handle it. You will not. Stop talking about that. You will not die.
What? Barrister, what are you talking about? My own husband, I mean my beloved husband, has a child with my maid, Afoma. Hey! Wait. No, how come he never told me? Just what are you talking about? How can Chief do this to us? I mean to the children? Hey!
He was going to do that before his death.
He was going to do that before his death. And he never did. Honestly, I'm so disappointed. We are mourning his beloved memory. And here you're coming up with this? Okay, what does he want us to do now? He never told us. No, he had the effrontery, the nerves to go into my maid. Wait, was that why Afoma left the way she did? Because this, I believe this happened a long time ago.
Yeah. With what Chief, your husband, told me, he never planned it that way, that it happened. Though he realized his mistakes and he apologized and...
Well, I apologize to you.
He never planned it that way, madam. He was doing that and trying to maintain his family and also to protect his good name. Yes, not until his dying moment. He still loves you all.
He loved us, yet he went in to my maid.
You still reject him. I will take care of you. Wait, do you want to remain a maid all the days of your life? Or you don't have a dream of going back to school? Huh?
Sir, please. I can't do this to Madam. This is unfair.
My wife and my kids are out. And they will be back in 2 days' time. Are you going to tell her? Or you are going to blow whistle? Are you going to tell everybody? Eh? Calm down, I will take care of you. I will do whatever you want me to do for you. Huh? Why are you doing like a child? Anyway, I will be gentle with you. I will not hurt you. I will make sure you are okay. I will take good care of you. Huh? This is Chief talking.
Family needs to be together. Huh? In unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, this may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the one she loves can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear.
No problem. No problem. I will let you.
Honey?
Sweetheart.
My love. How are you?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The gate man said Afoma left with her bag. And ever since I've been calling her, her line is not connecting. I don't know. Did you have any whatever with her?
Wait, she did not tell Gatesman where she was going to.
No, according to the gate man, she didn't.
If she has an emergency anywhere, she would have at least dropped a message.
But this one she left with her bag, I don't know.
Well, let us see if she will pick tonight or even return the calls or probably come back to the house.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay, and let me get you something to eat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Chief.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Barrister Charles. Any good news?
Chief, I've seen where she stay in the slum somewhere in the city.
In the slum?
And the land she have set of twins, a boy and a girl.
Oh my God. So I would have aborted the twins and my son inclusive? Oh, I'm sorry. I think I would like to see her. Even if she does not wish to see me. At least let me take care of the children and better her life as well.
No problem, go then.
One more thing. I will not want anybody, I mean anybody, to know about this.
Chief, your secret is safe with me.
Good. So we have to go there.
Alright, let's go.
When you don't expect it, sometimes keeping secret from the one she loves can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow.
How did she know we were coming? Or you think someone must have told her?
I doubt. Maybe she suspected or a coincidence, I don't know.
It is just the two of us that know about this.
I am as confused as you are, Chief. Eh? You know, Afoma is a smart girl. She might have suspected or... Chief, see, I learned she has been moving from here and there. Ever since she was pregnant. Even till now.
So what's next?
Chief, we found her before, we found her again.
All right.
This girl, she's so smart.
Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions.
Chief couldn't find her after several attempts of reaching her. And he became ill along the line. Not until now he wanted him back at all means. I was trying to just obey a client because that's part of the oath of allegiance I took as a lawyer, to keep to their secret and his wish.
I know it is very wrong to talk ill of the dead. But honestly speaking, with all this, she failed me. As a husband, as a father to my children, he failed me.
I guess he was looking for a better time.
I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. What stupid better time? Please, apart from this children matter, are there other things I need to know?
No, not at all.
Please, I'll be upstairs. When you're done, you can leave.
I'm losing my job.
You don't have to kill yourself over this. Come on.
How? After all my mom has gone through for my dad, why would he choose to pay her back by taking another wife? Why?
But you told me that this girl in question is already pregnant for your dad, right? And your dad wants to marry her properly because your dad don't want her to get pregnant out of wedlock. As a title chief he is, right?
Where was she? Where was she when my mom was going through all those things? Where was she?
Come on. Remembering all those things is going to get you pissed. Just forget about it. The only thing I can advise you as a friend is for you to create an atmosphere to live with her.
No, I can't. I can't live with that. I can't.
You can, dear. You can. You can live with it. You can change it. Whatever you cannot change, you have to learn how to live with it. You can live with this. You just need to be strong. Just be strong, okay? Call your mom, explain things to her. Okay? Don't worry, soon all this will be over. I promise.
Are you sure?
I am very certain. It will be over, okay?
Okay.
Stop crying. Stop. Stop.
Sincerely, this past is choking me. I can't live with this. I can't.
Then, girlfriend, allow your father. Listen to him. Move into the new estate.
No.
Why?
It's not supposed to be so. She should move to the new estate while we remain here in the GRA. That is how it should be done.
But this girl in question is pregnant for your dad. And she needs your dad by her side.
She is loose. Yes, she knows my father was married to my mother before she cheaply opened her dirty legs for him.
Oh, I see. What about your dad? What about your dad that went to her? No, tell me. Come on. can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Babe, just let your past be forgotten. Just forget it. Be happy. Move on. Forget about this thing. Okay?
Honestly, I feel for my mother. I feel so much for her. She doesn't deserve this.
I understand your pain. I know your mom doesn't deserve this. You don't deserve it either. I understand where you're coming from. But please, my friend, you have to be happy.
Sorry I took longer than expected.
It's fine, it's okay.
Yeah. Thanks so much, bestie.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
I went to your house the other day to see your mom.
Oh.
And I saw the girl in question. She doesn't look troublesome to me. She doesn't look troublesome the way you presented her to be. I even heard her calling your mom mother. What is your stress? That is my question. What is your problem?
She does not deserve to be in my family. She's only pretending.
Oh, you think so? But she is...
Please, can we go? Please. Let's go, please.
Okay, fine. We can go, but just know that this girl, she's a good girl. If you ask me.
Let's go, please. Take me to where I'm going so I can get a car.
Lucia, what is wrong with you? What are you saying? You can't do this.
Watch me do it.
No. Lucia, no. Setting a pregnant woman up. God will not forgive you. Nature will not forgive you either. Don't do it, please.
No. It's not possible. It will never be possible. That woman has taken over my father's happiness and attention and love. She won't go away with it.
Oh, really? What makes you think that another woman will not come in? Why can't you give your father a chance? The earlier you do this, the better for you. Stop being selfish, girl. Stop it.
Mimi, why are you siding a stranger over your best friend? Why?
I am not siding a stranger. I am only telling my best friend the truth. I'm telling you the truth. This is the reality. Accept it, girl. Give your father a chance. That is all I ask. Please. Lucia, please. You have to give your father a chance. Please. I'm your friend. I can't deceive you. Okay? Please. Okay, you know what? Come, let me go and drop you.
No, I am not going with you.
Really?
Yes, really. I took her to antenatal this morning. I just want to give her an opportunity to be part of the family.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Girlfriend! Wow! Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You will see how happy and relieved you will be. Trust me.
Are you sure about
I am very sure about it. You'll be happier now. You know, you are my friend. I cannot deceive you. The only thing I want you to do girlfriend is for you to give this girl a chance. You know, time they say heals everything. Don't worry, you just give her time. She'll be very okay. You're such a darling. Thank you. What?
Come. Babe, thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for seeing me through all these things. Thank you. You're such a good friend. You're the best.
You know you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Just stop it. You're my friend. Anything for you. You don't have to thank me. Fine girl. Thank you very much too for listening to me. So that means you're buying me lunch. Yes, baby. Let's go there. Let's go. Views on you. Yeah, yeah. If Lucia could be this happy with her family before she left the country, that means Mom and Sis will be fine. Perhaps everyone deserves a chance. Even my new family, I think they deserve a chance too.
Jack, what is it? Jack, now what is wrong with you? Are you not happy that we'll find at least somewhere that we can put our hands? Is this place that bad? Very bad. Me, I cannot manage jail. I'm leaving. Leaving to where? Where do you know you are leaving to? Leaving to where? You want to watch to shoot somebody? It mustn't be his house. Then where? I'll go to the city. Do you have any money with you? What is wrong with you? Do you know anybody in the city? Eh? I don't know why you are doing like this. I don't know. Stop thinking like this now.
I know. Nkwachebi is a bad person. But
what? Jack, stop this thing you are doing. Let me tell you, Uncle Achebi deserves everything that we have done to him. Every single thing. He's very wicked. Okay, see. We are supposed to be in school, but we are not in school. Why? Because of Uncle Achebi. Why? Every other person is in school, but see where we are. Doing what? He's wicked. Hey. What is it again?
Okay. So, you think you are wise, eh? You think you are wise? Idiots! Mosquitoes! You broke my hand! My wrist! Don't worry. No, go and find big stick and break my waist, break my back. Idiots! You are not going to eat today. And you will remain here until I think and say otherwise. Okay? Okay. You are the ringleader. You are the ringleader. That is the ringleader. Okay. You are the ring follower. Yes. You will remain like this. Easy girl. You will remain like this. No food. Idiots. Mosquitoes. Wait. I'm my ears every time. Wait.
I'm regretting all this. You don't have to regret anything now. Stop regretting all these things. I have plan. Shut up! What kind of plan do you have? Is it not your plan that landed us here? You should call me have plan again. Don't even bring out that your plan. I should shut up. Me turn again. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay now, let me think. Don't even think that, you know. Did you even sleep last night? I'm not wishing mosquitoes. We were killing mosquitoes. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this place. So get with the light person back home. Jesus. What's that? Big shit. This is a huge shit. Like in Shibarawa. See, kind of thing. This thing that I've been smelling here now.
Don't move. I won't hurt you.
Alright. Thanks for coming,
Uncle Lawyer, let's be going now. No time to waste time.
I'm coming.
I've been doing fast and I don't know what you are discussing with that Uncle Achebe.
Will you shut up there? Look at his face like an overfed mosquito. Idiot. Barrister. So, like you promised, try to get in touch.
I will. I really appreciate for your cooperation and everything.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
What is wrong with this?
I'll get back to you people as soon as possible.
It's alright. Safe journey.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
It's alright.
Alright, enter the car.
I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side door.
Hey! Wonder shall never end.
So the man is rich and has been looking for his children. Mananai. Why will your sister deny the man of seeing his children?
My wife, the circumstances surrounding this whole thing, if I want to tell you the story, it's a very long one. Okay? God. How I wish their mother is alive to see this thing. Anyway, to God be the glory. Come and give me food. Let me celebrate this.
Hey!
Ha! This girl, Chioma. No be the same phone where you bring come here help you charge. You never too take. Now him don't switch off. Now him don't switch off. They use my heart, they play draft, Chioma. Only God go help me and you. Only God go help me and you.
Don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Na children be this, yeah, be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh, oh, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, you, they go fight you. Now what do you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like.
Hmm?
Where is this?
Your father's house.
Turn alive! So our father has this kind of house and we are suffering in the village.
Exactly. Henceforth, this is your new home. Madam,
who are these people?
just relax. Let's go inside. We'll discuss better.
Inside where? Who are these things? Who are going inside?
Please, madam. Get a hello. Hello, please get the things from the
I don't understand. Who is the boss here?
Who are you? Who
Guys, just put me inside. Who are you?
No,
who are you now?
Chief Security Officer of this area.
Who is who?
Who are you?
Who are you?
My father's house.
Madam,
I like you.
Go and
Give me our man. Give me our
Go
man.
and enter my house. Let's go inside.
Give me our man.
Go and enter my house.
Cynthia, can you please stop? Where is that way? Get out.
let them.
Child, Nagi, I dey happy well. At least, Oga get under children. Oga get children outside, even though na home away, e no bad. Oga madam dem special center go know say no be only she get this house. Every time she go dey buga, im mate dey use shoulder dey buga, she dey use yansh dey buga. At least make you know say hey, Oga get representative. I dey happy o. At least somebody wey go take over this house. E dey. If you see that way day where they enter, the way they give me no cause say he like me well. I believe say very soon that boy will give me level for this house.
Well, I'm happy for them. I'm happy for the family. But Chief did not do well at all. Keeping this away from his wife for a very long time. See how beautiful his wife is. Anyway, I'm happy for them.
Even though na home away, nothing bad. At least, as Oga buy so, somebody will go take over this property there. Now, what is the important be that one? No be whether I try, no try. Who don't die, don't die. They know they bring dead body for grave, can't they judge them? Don't die, don't die. So as it be like this, somebody will go take over this place. At least, with wait now they say, that boy very soon go make me manager of this house. I go be P, I go even the carry better of people they follow. That time, Maggie, if I report your matter, because no more half chop and one meat or even that thing where they perform. If you no reach 3 or 4, if I report you give them, your job go they shake. They shake.
manager. This residential home, you, manager. Have you been to school? What level do you have?
Your problem be say you don't understand when they say man no man. Whether I go school or no go school, you know bad. That boy like me well. That day when he enter, if he do give me no co, come they tell madam, I beg shift. I come they say, this guy they say he like me. So I know say he go do am. Not be school. Who school help?
You end up as his bodyguard, not manager.
Nah, at least now something. Now something. But Maggie, child, those Oga children, I too like them, sha. Especially that one will be like ball. If they tell madam that day, get out! I want to tell my house.
Wow. This is really unbelievable. So how come your mom never knew all this while?
My dear, my dad is very secretive. And the lady, she lives far from us. My daddy never gave us room to suspect him at all.
So the kids are living with you guys now?
Yes, they are living with us. That's my father's last wish, and we have to obey it.
I can imagine how your mom is going to be feeling right now.
My darling, it wasn't easy at all, my mom. It wasn't easy, but she's coping. Because my dad said that the kids are going to live with us at least for 1 year before the will be ready.
Wow. That is really some of those things one has to go through in life, you know.
I know, my darling. How are you? How have you been?
I'm here. I missed you. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the care. I can't wait for all of this to come to pass so we can be happy forever.
And I can't wait for your joy to be complete as well.
I can't wait for the day I'm going to meet your mom.
Sure, you're going to meet my mom, but please, just give her a little time for all this to be over, okay? So you can come. Okay?
I need to tell her she did a very good job.
Please don't make me shy.
Giving birth to an angel like you is just everything.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love you.
I love you more. Okay.
I have to go.
Yeah. I just wish you would never leave.
I know, don't worry. I'll come back soon.
Okay, I'll walk you to the car.
All right, darling.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro?
You see why I told you we need to act fast. Very, very fast. And we can't keep waiting for the will that will take forever to come. Did you notice there's an intruder? We need to act right now.
I told you I'm in love with Mimi.
Fuck love, bro. Fuck love. The idea was for you to make her fall in love with you. And you losing focus at this point is something I won't have. Time is ticking.
Jack, I'm just bored in this house. I've been in this house, I'm not going out. At least let's just go and look around, get to know different places, see different places now. No, I've thought about that too, but I know you don't have transport one. I have. You can go out. No, we would tell to me. No, she'll not allow us. Abby, we'll just go before they know what's going on. We'll come back. Are we going? We're going today.
Ojibe, do you think they did what they did intentionally? I see no reason they should throw water from upstairs while taking their bath in the room.
If it be say they no sha, you know say they just come from village. And village now outside things now, they feel say they wash, they will throw away dirty water for outside. Maybe now waiting be their mind where they pour the water. So with waiting at the sea, no be their fault too. Village matter, they body. Now they carry come here so.
To top it all, dirty water they used in washing their clothes. Ha!
I be the reason say it go make sense if Gamma Dam them go just calm down. But
wait. Do you know those kids stand a better chance to Oga's properties? Jack is the only son of the family.
Maggie, you get sense well. Since when I know you for this house, now today you reason well. You know say, those children no be lie. Now I make madam body they pepper, they vex for them anyhow. Chai. Wow. So they even get right past those girls where they booga for here, they come you, Jebe this or Jebe that, instead there for OJ. I foresee.
Of course, I trust Barrister Charles. He's a man of goodwill. I believe he will see into it. I wish them good life. They deserve it. From what I heard, those kids have suffered a lot. They deserve it.
Hi, no be lie you show for their body. You show for their body that day when they come here. You show say the Sapa don't brainwash them for village. But person will train them for that side try you. Those children, they get good manner, they get good character, and they get good heart. I believe say Oluwa go run am for them very soon. He go don't even run himself. God go run am for them.
Ojebe, I have to go back inside.
I better remember my food though.
You and food.
So, Ojebe, you are right.
Yes, now the cocoa be that one now. Barrister don't supposed to yarn all these things before now. Because I make una day here. Huh? Now carry una come now.
So we do it like this?
Yes.
I foresee. You know I've come about this thing before, but I do not believe. So you will I tell you now. I do with you full time. Anyhow you want, we go run out. Yes, now. No shaking now.
You see, man, okay. Now I make I dey like when man they talk. He dey talk like man when he be because he stand for grand. See, I take God back to off now. Make una no forget me. See, small time, white baby will begin to come out for here. I no go remain for here forever now. Make una remember me for na paradise. Shine life into my life. Yes, now.
Well, that one later.
Ew.
For the side, we want take a look. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love. They like trouble. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Not children be this, be adults them be. I tire for them, Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what do you know like you, they go to do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. You only want Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. You only want They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, yo. They like trouble, not try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Not try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them. They go show you pepper. Things don't change. They say they want make money. They no one go to school again. They want to enjoy life. Life not talk a sugar. All they want is their father's money. That is money, oh. Libega. That is money, oh.
Okay, now. I budgeted him 10 million. Yes, I budgeted. Please fetch your front. Please don't be angry. Oh, oh yeah, yes. Okay, depends. Let's just say 20 million. 20 million will be okay for the bed. Are you mad?
No, sorry, sir.
Stella.
Ma?
What about that shop that I told you about?
Ma? We didn't bring the water. I didn't bring the water.
I don't understand. I told you I want to rent now. Are you okay? And you didn't bother to buy it? Okay, follow again. Why do I pay you? Oh, they said 5 million for the shop.
So I won't go turn like this now. I will buy from that.
So you buy water for me from somewhere else when I have lots of it at home? Yeah, I want to, add for that woman. Yeah. I want 10,000 naira deducted from your salary. I want to buy 10 million, yes.
You want to deduct my money now.
Excuse me. Will you shut up?
Sorry, sir.
Because don't be angry. And I also want to buy that Bugatti now. The one you showed me on the picture. Bugatti 370. Madam, can you face your front? 50 million.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, it's a small money. Yeah. Bring it too. Yeah, I'll transfer 100 million for you now. 100 million. Yeah, make it 150 million. Do you want some?
I want to buy water.
He sells car.
I want water.
My friend. Okay, hello? Yeah, which other one do you have? Okay. Don't worry, I'll give you 150 million. Yeah, 150 million.
Sorry.
Okay. Face your front. If I ever see your face, don't mention. 150 million. Yeah, let's go. That is my sister. Yes, she's so rich. Yes. Yeah. And I will see. Alright, let me quickly go somewhere. Alright, no problem. Can you imagine? What's wrong with this one?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
I'm not for how they're gonna die with talent. Wajai 10 million na die with talent. Kind of poverty mentality. Face your front! Nonsense. Please, can you give me that your friend's number that used to sell foreign cars? Okay. You don't have your phone right now. I think it should be in my bag. Stella! My bag. No, don't worry.
I left it in the boot too.
Can you imagine? See?
Back here.
Don't worry.
Let me collect it.
When we get home.
Enjoy life will not talk a sugar. All they want is their father's money. That is money, oh. Libega. That is money, oh. Libega. That is money, oh. Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? Try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them, they go show you pepper.
I see Jack last week. So, your son, I was trying to...
Hey, point of correction. Jack is not my son.
Sorry, sir. I met him that day crying. I was trying to know what's going on. And he started telling me that he's very hungry. I have not eaten anything since morning. So I don't know what to do. He even complained that you locked his sister in the house. So I don't know what to do. So little money I have in my pocket, I gave him 1,000 to go and look for what to eat. So that day I was supposed to come and see you, but I traveled the following day to the city. So today I come back, I said let me come and see you. So I will plead on their behalf. You know, children these nowadays, sometimes.
Anyway, Ekene.
Sir?
Don't waste your breath. What am I chewing?
Chewing-gum.
Have you seen me chewing chewing-gum before?
No, sir.
Okay. That tells you I'm celebrating. So that's why I asked you not to waste your breath. You were in this village. You saw the way they were dealing with me, those little mosquitoes. They dealt with me so they... If not for the fact that they were my sister's children, I would have killed them. In fact, at a point, I was thinking of selling them off.
Sir.
Yes.
Your own children.
But God intervened. That is why I'm celebrating. From nowhere, a man came here, a lawyer, and he said those children actually belong to his client, who is late. You know, and the man happened to be a very rich man. So he came here, bundled them to the city. I'm using the word bundle because it's a celebration for me.
So right now, they're not here right now.
If you look at I was actually sitting here waiting for my wife. The door is locked. I sent her to the market to go and buy, food. We want to celebrate. But I forgot my key inside. That's why I'm sitting here. That's why you met me here.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I'm celebrating. They've gone.
Hey. So which means what the guy say is lying?
He was lying. You don't know them again. Are you not in this village? Look, these children eat morning, afternoon, evening, and in between, they steal my money. They steal the food in the house. Yeah. You see that one that call himself Jack, see like this, with like an overbloated balloon. If he's not eating, can he be as big as that?
If you see that guy crying that day, you was surprised.
My brother, leave that story. My wife is not around. I would have entertained you. Don't worry. Next time when you come, I will entertain you.
Huh? Hello, Chichi. Chichi, wetin I do you now? Since that time when he say make I send you money, after I send that, he just come dey do me, come today, come tomorrow. Na bad thing I do say I send you money. Sometimes you no come even dey carry my call. The thing dey beat my heart. You know say I go dey miss you. You know say I love you. No be make me even send the money. No dey do me like this abeg. I dey miss you as I even dey. If no be this yeye work. Waiting now.
Oga, open the gate for me. I'm going to the market.
So, waiting come be my business now. Your market and my love call. With your white waist like old layer.
It's none of your business. It's my waist and not yours. Believe me, you will never have a taste of this. You fool.
You go rust now. Not me and you dey this house. You go rust for here. Make I say any day one nonsense boy go knock this gate say they find you. Man no sure say I be CSO. Come and pass. Boy who dey use bicycle, man even you wey dey use leg. Ojebe Jemepe gate. Come and pass. Holy one, Mary. Sapa, what you don't do me? She a go call if the car don't cook my finish. Enemies of progress don't come before.
I never lie but day, I know if you know. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own toys. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? We're still upcoming, we dey get the money. Next year by this time we don't dey go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be packing up. Cause we done the drink 7-Up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I don't wear with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey do them all. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee Wiz in one look. It's your bad boy, give my body instrumental. It's your bad boy, give my body instrumental. He buy, somebody purple. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You still the phone boss, for your pockets. There is God, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. Listen to pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make I follow your way. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go any show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go any club, I dey pop something. Let me girl small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pop plenty. The road, shake or see. Kilo fire emergency. Now we be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go any place, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every year. And if you come meet me, you go take a year. I'm a town, never wish you there for summer, yeah. No the fun for my side, come up for yeah.
Yo, we the baddest. We the go man the show, we the run them. We the go man the studio, we the boss anything. We just coming up, see we the shine like the star. We the top anything, we the kill anything. We the boss anything, we the run anything. Cause now we be the baddest. We the go man the show, we the run them. We the go man the studio, we the boss anything. We the kill everything. Cause rock it.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we.
Thank you very much for everything.
You're welcome.
Where is this idiot again? Where did this fool... What is going on in my house? Hey! What is going on? Look at this idiot. What are you doing? By the time I'm done with you, you will know what brought you here. I left the whole house for you, and look at what you're doing with these demonic children. Now open the gate. Idiot. What? You dare stop? Are you mad? No, stop again. That punishment will be doubled. Oh my God, you made this idiot. So far, because you don't have sense. If you like, collapse. Children like that will be the ones deceiving you. Instead of you to teach them the right way they should go as an adult, you're joining them to misbehave. Stop. If you don't die today, idiot. Senseless fool. Since you I will not have peace in my own house, none of you will have peace in this house. Stop again. Do it well. Please, Ney. Idiots.
Hey! Salobua, walawo. Hey! Now which kind of job will be this one? Ha! Sapa, you don't insult my generation. Just because of small merriment. Birthday, I never did since they born me. Small thing what I do with those children will love me. Now I die, now I won't die put. Hell! See my waist. Salobua lao. Deliver me, oh!
Look at them! You want to come and inconvenience me in my house? Will you go to my bar again? So if you go, I should kill you. I should kill you. I should kill you. No!
My husband.
I was looking for you. I didn't know you were at the back of the house. What is it? Huh?
My wife, you won't understand. Sometimes a man needs time to sit back and to reflect. Each time I remember what happened in the city, how the government destroyed our house and rendered us homeless. The things that transpired that brought us back to this village. Can you imagine? Is this my compound? Deaths everywhere. Can you imagine? Look at this. This is hygienic felony. Now, am I living with animals in this compound? Or I have pigs as tenants? Are they not human beings? Just look at everywhere. Come. Mama Emma. Mama Emma. Hi. Just look at my compound. Now, and this one that calls herself Taylor. You say you don't have money. You fry chicken every day. But you cannot take off your landlord. It's all right.
Good morning, landlord.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. And you are chewing gum like me. Look at you. What is good in the money for you? Tell me, both of you. What is good in the money? Huh? Your mates go to work in the morning and come back in the evening. For you, you go in the evening and come back in the morning. What exactly do you do? Huh? What do you do? Tell me.
You are tired. You need to go and rest. Sure. The landlord person no go rest again for compound wey she pay.
Wait, just hold it there. You are tired. Tell me, what did you do? Oh, what is wrong with me, sir? I know exactly what you did. All shapes and sizes. Big, small, slim, fat. Why would you be tired? Eh? Look at you. Dirty pigs. Look at the compound you are living in. You can't even clean it. Eh?
Oga landlord, now only us go dey clean the whole compound. We don't do our own cleaning now.
Oh. You've done your own cleaning. What exactly did you clean? No, tell me. Oh God, what is wrong with me again? I know what you clean. Look at it. You clean. Every time, clean. From night till morning, you clean. But you cannot clean your compound. You are all very stupid. If not that you are paying your rent, I would have sacked you from this compound this minute. Idiots! Get out!
Let's not go rest for house. Let's pay for.
Look at them. Look at them after cleaning. Idiots. Where is this DJ? This womanizer. DJ! Where is he?
So, the land is so big. Oh.
Yes, now. You come here, go like this. You see that place there, there's a beacon there?
Yes, yes.
Then up to this point. You see the drain.
My love.
It seems there's a problem in the compound.
Yes, that is not. You must be those my useless tenants.
Hey!
My love, what is it this time? Who?
It's not those useless runs girls in our compound. I passed though. They did not notice me. Ha! I now slapped Ejiro. Ejiro and Bisola joined hands together and beat me up.
Hey! Odos, some people are dead. They are dead already. So they beat you up?
Yes, so they beat me up. They really dealt with me.
Hey! Be prepared to receive some people this afternoon. Be prepared to receive some dead bodies.
Hey! Achebe?
Yes!
You have to calm down. But you said you know.
How can you ask me to calm down? So useless people, not just ordinary people, my tenants, beat up my wife, and you ask me to calm down? Oh no! Oh God! I'm sending some people to hell. Oh, hey, be ready to receive them. My wife, let's go. Let's go.
Just like that. Okay.
People will ask where they shoot this race. People will find where they shoot this race. It's very difficult. People will say, no, this way don't come there.
I will kill you today. I will kill you. You want to kill me? No. I'm not afraid. First of all, you beat up my wife. I will kill you. I'm ready to talk and kill you. My heart is peppering. My hand is peppering me. What's that, landlord?
Okay, landlord.
Hey! Okay, landlord, you go keep the seat. Landlady, hold your husband though, make it no for. What did I do, landlord?
Wait, hey. Who tell me, J-boy? Okay, no, they call J-boy.
See yourself. Now we cause about landlord they pursue now. My hand is peppering me. Why did they do person? Oh no. There is nothing you are going to tell me about these girls. Don't even attempt to beg for them. I mean, how can you beat up your own landlady and expect to still remain in that house? No, now. That is practically impossible.
Chibi. Calm down. Relax. Listen to me, Achibe. I know she's your wife. I am not disputing that with you. But at the same time, I am not also praying that anything bad should happen to her. These girls, they've come to you now. They have come to beg you. They have apologized to you. All you need to do is to just forgive them. You are the landlord of this house. Equally, you are also the father to them all. But sometimes... Anyway, I beg. Now beg, I beg you. No vex. Forgive them.
Onos, you are pleading on their behalf now because they are from the same place with you. Yes, now.
Achebe, please. Now that won't make you not carry come at all. I am pleading because this issue na woman matter and I be. And they're not the carry woman matter for like person carry bottle of beer for hand. Make you forget about this thing now. I am making a promise. I will personally go to them and talk some sense into their head. Just give me the benefit of that and it will never happen again. It's a promise.
Onos.
For the fact that we are friends for life.
Anyway, like you said, we are friends.
Thank you.
Let me see what I can do. If not, they didn't try at all.
Achebe!
Beat my Amaka.
They're not try. Strong man. Hey!
No, what they did wasn't right now.
You're not good.
How can they beat up my wife, Amaka, for that matter?
A whole lot lady.
Hey! Chapolo, am I that small? Can the peasant that in my husband's compound, my tenants cannot greet me again up here? Okay, no problem. So what do Ashawo. Whoa.
Excuse me, who is Ashawo? Are you not Ashawo? Are you not? Don't touch me. And what will you do? What will you do if I touch you again? What will... You slap me? You slap me? You slap me?
Now both of you come here, kneel down here, idiot! Huh? Why you, what? Shoot forward. And you come here, kneel down here. Quick! Kneel down before I break your head, idiot. So, both of you are not ashamed of yourselves. How can you fight a fellow woman because of a man? And you are not ashamed. You joined your friend to beat a fellow woman. Eh?
But Oga landlord, she's the one that came here to come and put up a fight.
Shut that your dirty mouth, idiot. Huh? How can you do this? Now, by the way, who is that man?
Oga landlord, she knows say the guy na my boyfriend. She's still the runner.
Who is your boyfriend? Who is your boyfriend? I'm asking.
She still the talk. Look at this Alika. The one where I beat you, not do you. You see, you.
I mean, you're still quarreling. You idiot. Now, both of you, I'm thoroughly ashamed of you, and I will deal with you. You know the penalty of fighting in my compound. You know, Quickie.
Oga landlord, you want Quickie?
You are not idiot. Sorry. I have a very beautiful wife there.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Mamaka is enough for me. I don't do such rubbish. Now, it's either you pay the penalty or I give you quit notice. Okay? Now get up and run.
Let's say to
now, second one, get up and run. Get up. Are you? Alele, out of the compound. You are such an idiot. So you think I'm joking, eh? You think I'm joking? I told you, if you don't pay my rent, I will give you Quickie.
Oga landlord, I was about to come to pay you.
Oga landlord, please, it has not gotten to that. Now you go pay.
You are holding the area that you clean. You are very stupid. If you like, beg from now till tomorrow. I have written the Quickie, and the Quickie, you must look at this one. Taylor. Yesterday it was fried chicken. Now look at this one. Sardine, Coke. She has finished the egg with cold pure water. Don't worry, oh. It's just that you've paid. If not, your own Quickie would have been here. Are you? Take your Quickie. Quit. Notice.
Please now go pay. My friend just went for daybreak last night. She will soon come. She's on her way coming. Please.
What did you call that? Daybreak. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Everything down, so it is waste that you used to make money. Eh? Daybreak, big, tall, fat, short. Quit. Notice. This is what I call Quickie. Take your Quickie. Both of you, look at it very well. Read the notice very well. Make sure you pass from my house. For you are lucky that you paid. If not, I would have given you one. Now, go and read this notice very well. Read it. If not, you will speak with my lawyer. And you will go to court. Today. You pay today. Yes. DJ! You're the DJ! Come on, collect your home. DJ! Come on, collect your home. Plantain! Eh? With, what is it? Eggs! Hey! With tomatoes and pepper. You see? And your landlord has not eaten. Anyway, Taylor, you are lucky that you paid your rent. If not, I would have given you one of my cookies. Idiots. Are you? Where are these people? Bisola! What is the name of the other guy? Ejiro?
I hope there's no promise.
Shut up! Where is Ejiro?
She went out last night.
Oh, she went out last night to Yatago? Idiots! Went out last night?
What is it now?
You see, beat you. You see, have mouth to ask me questions. Now, this is your Quickie. Quit notice.
Galano, you never reach like this. Now go pay now. I just told you that my roommate went out last night. She will soon come. She's on her way coming. She's coming with the money. We'll come and pay, please. Okay.
Went out last night. Come this morning. Come take it. Don't you know how to read? When she comes back, both of you should read it. If not, my lawyer will visit you. Idiot. Come on here. Where is Mama Emma? Get out from my room. Get out of my way. Mama Emma. Mama Emma. Oh, she's cooking also. Okay. Your cookie is here. I know you lock yourself inside your room. This is your cookie. Make sure you read it. Idiots. Where is it, DJ? DJ! You want me to break your head? Idiot! DJ! 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 Where is it? DJ! DJ, where are you? DJ, come down. You are standing on top of me. I said come down. Idiot. Did you go to school?
Yes, sir.
You went to school? Good. Take. Cookie?
Listen to this one.
The guy that you this one now. Idiot. Not this one. Now, you pay the money or you quit. QED. Quad error demonstrando. Wait. Apart from your boyfriend not paying, okay. I will give you a special room in this compound. Nancy. Do you know you are very beautiful?
Oh, are you serious?
Look at your lips. See, your boyfriend, he will not pay rent again.
Oh, landlord, are you serious? Oh.
Look. See, and you, I want you to move into this compound. I have a special room for you. I'll put AC inside. So that I can see you. Look at you. Wait. Come, let me touch you.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait on.
DJ. Come now. Look at how you fobbing like this. DJ.
Sir?
Did you see anything?
Anything like what?
Are you not a guy man again? You know what I'm talking about now. Tell me now.
I don't see anything, no. Nothing.
Now
your wife will call me. I won't go see her. Man, nothing she will come for.
My wife?
Yes.
Okay. DJ, come now. Are you not a guy boy again? This your ring. Looks like diamond.
I don't know. It could be diamond.
Is there anything you want me to do for you? Anything?
Landlord. Landlord.
DJ.
Landlord.
Yeah, DJ.
Just if I tell you, you go give me a...
Give it to the talk. Got boyfriend and girlfriend. What? Don't want to camera.
DJ, come here.
Baby, wait for me, I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
DJ, come here! Idiot! Are you okay? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Every day, you must come here with a woman. Are you not tired? Last week, Angelina. This week, Agnes. Maybe next week, you will get Angelo. Eh? Are you not tired? This is your waist. Do you use it to spin women or it is record that you spin as DJ? Eh?
All these names where they call Angela, this nothing concern me and them. You see this one where you see now I carry pass here. This one be my main babe. This one be my baby.
Hey, shut up! This is an dead. You think I'm stupid? Last week you came with one. You thought I forgot it. You said that one was your main babe. Now you brought another one now. She's your main babe. Mr. Mena, your own is to main babe. Shut up. Now when I talk, when you talk. Look, I'm only advising you as a father figure. If not, I don't really care. If you like, kill yourself. Enter inside and swim in it. Continue to swim. Continue to swim. But whatever the outcome is, the consequences, be ready to carry it. Now get out. Get out, idiot! You can't rest. Every day, one woman. Every day, one woman. Are you a dog? To see how.
Babe, so close.
Kept you so long.
No, babe, let's go. I have to do something.
Wait, oh. You know, say this guy no get test at all. Ejiro. What are you doing with him? Ah, beg. She can't talk oh, there. I never talk waiting this boy do in a job. I don't know whether they clean or not. This is very well. I make my own.
God damn! What is smelling like this? I mean, what is oozing in my compound? Huh? Look at you covering your nose.
Okay, landlord. What is smelling again if not the soccer pit? It don't burst again, no.
You mean you people have used your shit to fill my soccer pit? You bring your girlfriend, DJ. You bring your girlfriends, multitude of them, to come and fill my soccer pit. Something that I spent a huge sum of money to fix. It's not up to how many months? How many months I fix it? Okay. This time around, all of you are going to pay very huge fine. Huh? Huge fine.
How? Shebi will tell you say make you carry good people wey sabi this work. Come fix this soccer pit. Shebi will tell you. You go carry those cheap fools. They come here, come do nonsense. I dey watch them. They do nonsense. Rain don fall now. The water don go enter inside soccer pit. Burst the thing again. Now I wan come put the blame on us. Na landlord abeg o, abeg.
Oga landlord, me I no get any money to pay this time around. I no get money o. Me I no dey pay any shishi. Money no dey.
Huh?
Money no dey.
Where are you running?
I no dey pay.
No, tell me where you're running. I'm sure you are tired of living in this my compound. I am going to give you my quickie. Now all of you will pay huge fine. Idiots. Okay, we shall see. Okay, don't worry.
I no dey pay anything.
Me wey be the boy no get 1 naira to contribute. After all, my mother dey sick. Carry rubbish be that one. Money no dey o.
Who is that idiot that spread this cloth on top my clothes? Who is that idiot? one. What is what? Why did you shift my clothes? So you are that idiot, that fool that sprayed that dirty thing on top of my clothes, right?
You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble. Go and shift. Go and keep that. Go and keep my bedsheet the way I kept it before.
Oh.
Go and bring that bedsheet and go and keep it the way.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault.
Go and keep my bedsheet the way I kept it before. If not, you're not passing this place.
Don't dare me. You get it. Don't.
Come and pass. Let me see. Gosh. Go and keep. Come. You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble.
The one where I beat you the other time, not do you for body, Abi.
Go and keep my clothes.
Oh yeah, touch me again. You go. What nonsense. The one where I beat you, not do you, ba? The one where I beat you, not do you. The one where I beat you, not do you. The one where I beat you, not do you. You will see what I will do to you today. You are very stupid today that you can fight me in this compound. You must be mad. I will show you what madness look like. Are you mad? Come on, give your hand one place. You want to? You're talking with me. I'm holding your.
Yeah. My feeling they tell me say this noise when I dey hear so. Now from your company they from the combo. Abi you know the hearer. Eh? Make I even ask you. The girls the way you park put for compound as tenant. They know the rest. They know the tire.
Nose.
I dey hear you.
Oh nose. I'm beginning to regret. I'm beginning to regret giving these girls accommodation in my compound.
Okay.
Yes. I'm regretting. Huh? I mean, every day, one trouble. Every day, one trouble. Don't worry. They will soon chop quick notice. They will chop quick notice.
Now, waiting at the expect.
Okay.
But wait. The simple truth be say, you, I mean.
Hey, don't even go there. Don't go there. Look, I'm a married man. And I love my wife. How do you expect me to go and sleep with those harlots? And on top of that, why should I sleep with my tenants? No. I'm a decent man.
I never said anything.
No, but you insinuated it. I just wanted to stop you so that you don't even try it at all. My wife is very beautiful, Amaka.
Sorry, sir.
What is it? Look, forget about that subject. Okay. That man there, I'm beginning to get him.
It's long overdue. I've been expecting you to talk about it.
I want to buy.
Can you imagine? That low-class Ashawo has the guts to fight me in this compound.
Who are you talking about?
Nancy, of course you know now.
Jesus Christ. Nancy came to this compound. Where was I?
Babe, you know Sibi know the house now.
You should have called me now.
Oh, babe, but trust me, I know they carry last. I gave her the beating of her life.
No. I would have shown her the difference between the leg of a cow and capital B. What is wrong with that girl? So she has the... Okay, what do the compound people do?
This thing pay me, eh? But those stupid idiots, what did they want to do? What?
Just watch
They cannot do anything. You should know that now. But trust me, I gave her
I
the beating of her life.
I miss on this one.
I promise her, the next time she tries this nonsense, I will give her... Oh, Jesus, even heaven will not stand by her that day.
Exactly.
Heaven! Oh, Jesus.
And
anyway,
I will be around.
I don't blame her.
I'll break her. That her two tiny legs. I'll break it.
That idiot, where did they even manage for this compound? That idiot. May she, no problem. Next time, this fight, we are not done. We will still fight again. Babe, trust me now, we will still fight again. I am not done.
Fight. It's not over yet.
Me.
Until I am involved. Until I break down her two tiny legs.
Hey, mom now.
No problem.
What kind of ridiculous thing is this? This Bisola and Ejiro? Eh? No, look at them. Eh? Pants, G-string. If local government people enter this my house now, they will think that I'm rearing Okpo. Hey. Just look at them. Let me see. He touched my nose. What's that name? Ejiro Bisola, whatever. I can't touch this thing with my hand. Come on, go. Look at them, useless people. Messing up my compound. Eh? Look at G-string, or what do they call it? Tiny rope. You see that? This place. No shame again. A woman will wear a trouser. You will see the division of the lobe. They are not even ashamed anymore. I pity women of these days. In our days, it wasn't like that. Yours.
Person no go hear word every day from one problem to the other. What is his business with the pant we will spray for this place? I hope say he no even touch this pant sef. Because that man no well. That man is not well. I hope this man is not well. I hope he didn't touch this pant. Because this man can do undo. The eye no clear. What is? Every time this man will not rest in his house. He'll be walking from place to another, tiptoeing, looking for something to choke his mouth inside. I have told Ejiro for us to pack out of this compound. Ejiro will not hear. She will go out, she will come back empty. Do you know she'll free? I'm tired of that girl. I will leave her. I'm tired of this girl.
I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do.
DJ!
Sir? Okay, hello. Good morning, sir.
My husband, you're welcome.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. What are you doing with my wife here? Huh?
Sir,
I am the one that called him to assist me.
Yes.
To assist you? With what?
The pump. It was faulty.
Exactly.
The pump is faulty. Yes. And he's assisting you here in front of the compound. Where is the pump here? Eh? Now, Oga Assista, let me warn you. If you ever come to meet my wife again in my house, particularly when I'm not around, oh, I pity what will happen to you. You're finished now. Get out. Idiot! Assista, you want to assist with pump, and you are assisting right in front of my house. This closeness. All right, we shall see. And you,
What is all this, Ajebe? I know what is all this. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. What are the insults? Huh? What are the insults?
Which insult are you talking about my wife?
Ajebe,
what were you insinuating? What? I am not insinuating anything. All I am saying is that I don't trust that DJ. I don't trust him at all. Let me tell you, if anything happens, oh God, I will commit murder and I will commit suicide. Pari pursue.
Achebe?
Yes, sir.
Achebe?
Yes.
Wait. So you want to tell me that you don't trust me, your wife?
See, it's not a question of my not trusting you. I trust you, but I don't trust that young man. I don't trust him at all. I don't want to see him near you again, oh. I don't want to. I'm protecting my investment, my interest.
Wait! Wait! Stop shouting! What's your problem?
Oh, are you not shouting?
What's your problem, Achebe? So this is this is how you degrade me. Wait, is this what you think of me? Is this what you think of me, Achebe?
I am not talking of thinking. I'm talking of doing. Don't go near that boy. I don't trust him.
Achebe?
Yes.
Achebe?
That is my name.
Achebe?
Yes, that's my name.
I am highly disappointed at you.
Good. You can be disappointed, you can be appointed, but I am protecting my investment. You know how much I paid on you? You know.
Hey. Achebe?
Yes.
Achebe, you are a disgrace.
I'm a disgrace.
Yes.
I am happy to be disgraced, but I am protecting you. How can that small boy? You want to fetch water from where the well I'm fetching water from? How? Why?
Hey! Achebe!
Yes, it's me. What is it? I am not going.
Hello, Amaka. Amaka. Amaka, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Look, there is something I want you to understand, though. Can you just let me talk? Whatever happens, I want you to understand the fact that he's still your husband. Yes, I know. I know you're upset. Make you not vex, eh? I know saying you're not supposed to do him at all. I beg. Make you calm down. I go come. Yes, I go come, I beg. Just calm down till I come. Oh? I go definitely come now. I go come. Eh? If we not because of yam chop oil, we go because of oil chop yam. May you calm down. Thank you for respecting me. I will come. When I come, we'll settle this whole thing. Thank you. What kind of problem is this? Now wow.
Come on. My money sunshine. My jewel of inestimable value. Amax. My money due. Look, the Amaka that marks the beginning and the ending of my life. Amaka whose parts are the parts to my joy. Amixco. My lovey, my popori. The only sugar in my tea. The only cockroach in my cupboard. I am sorry. I swear. It will never happen again. I swear. What do you want me to swear with? Okay. I will swear with my father's grave. If it happens again, I will enter the grave to go and meet my father. Laugh now. When you're making your face like this, you are piggyrizing what I'm saying, but just kind of, you see? Look, you are a beauty queen, or if you don't know, you are a beauty queen. You are a beauty queen, or you are so beautiful. Amisco. Papadisco, Amisco. Let's go inside.
You promise it will happen again?
It will never, I swear.
You promise?
If it happens again, let me have my bath naked. You see, when you laugh like this, come, let's go. I want to show you what love really is. What love got to do with it. Let's go inside. Come now. Alex.
You feel like let's go to spoil this in you.
Wow, seriously?
I'll gain you.
Fine.
Shall I this way time say, you know where? You won't go village, go take rest.
Babe, I'm coming. Let me just take this call, okay? Please. Hello?
Hello. Baby, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I hope you are getting better.
I'm good. I'm getting better. I'm actually at the pharmacy Yes, I came to get some drugs.
I just called to check up on you, Sha.
Aww. That's so sweet of you. Thank you very much.
No problem. No problem. I'll be waiting for you. Okay.
You too. Just take good care of yourself, okay? Yeah. I love you. Alright. Bye. Babe.
Who is she? Who are you talking to?
That's the lady I told you about.
Which lady?
The one that is processing my visa. Come on now, I'm just trying to play along. You know how all these ladies be now. She don't see fine boy, she's a cheap, so I just got to play along so that this thing will come out. Come on now.
Bad boy.
Now you don't make me bad.
You're bad by yourself.
Calm down. I will show you how bad boys roll. Come on. Today we're making it house. Calm down.
I beg. Interesting. You love me. Okay.
Where do you think you are going to? Who are you? Where do you think? Who are you? Are you mad? Who is this? Who is she? Who is she? So you have the nerve to slap me? You have the nerve to slap me? You have the nerve to slap me? Let me deal with this stupid girl. Who is this? You are going to... So that what? Stupid girl like you. Rubbish. It's okay not to slap me. It's okay why? Your best friend. Your best friend wait. She's your best friend, Abby. So you are your best friend.
My best friend's friend.
Hey, I will deal with you. Calm down, what? Leave me.
Please. Yeah, just hear me out. Hear you out how? No, hear you out over what? Eh? Look, I warned you about these girls. I warned you. You are going to leave my compound. Eh? What are you talking about? Suppose somebody had died. Eh? What would I have done?
You know I am...
I know nothing. I know nothing. You call yourself DJ. What are you DJing? Spinning their waist, spinning their bottom. That is your DJ work, right? Eh?
No, sir. No, sir.
Look, I'm giving you 2 days. 2 days to pack your things and leave my compound. And that is final. Don't call me again, idiot. 2 days.
Oga Landlord, please now, please. Please, sir. Oga Landlord.
Greet the woman, oh boy. Mama, run faster, run faster, run faster.
What is it? No, tell me. Who is harassing you again? Because I'm going to kill somebody. I will kill somebody this afternoon. Who is harassing you in that compound?
My staff husband. My husband. It is not our tenant.
Not our tenant. Who now tell me? Is he our neighbor, my fellow landlord? Tell me.
Our house is gone. Our house is gone, oh.
Our house is gone? How? How? What are you talking about? What do you mean by our house is gone?
The government.
Government?
They're demolishing our house.
Eh?
Our house. It's gone. My husband! My husband! My husband! Mama. Mbaba, come on, stand up. Hey. Hey, my husband.
I can't just help
My husband.
thinking about it all the time.
My husband. Ezibodi. It's okay. Thank God we are alive. We are still living. Forget about the past and move on. We are in the present. Everything will be fine. Once there's life, there is hope. Anyway, I was looking for you to tell you. Our children called.
Which children are you talking about?
Jack and Rose, of course. They called. They said their stepmother wants to take them to Obodo.
Hey. You see, God? At least this is a consolation.
Of course.
Of course. Notwithstanding all we lost in the city. We are here. Somehow I miss those children.
They have trouble, eh?
They are trouble. Sometimes it is the trouble that I miss. Because I give them trouble also. Hey. In everything we give thanks to God.
I'm telling you.
Go and prepare food for me.
The house has been quiet for a while now. At least they've not been misbehaving since the last time.
And it will continue to be this quiet and serene. Because one misconduct, 10 punishment.
Exactly.
Let's see who gets tired first. Me, I am ready to go all the way. What is that?
Mommy, maybe they're like this because I really talked to them and they have listened.
Really?
Yes.
Is this how you're going to raise your own when the time comes? Keep close. Walk well. I said walk well. Aren't you here? Raise your legs. If you like, march. Just march to this place. What's wrong with you two? Come here. Yes, I called you.
Yeah, thank you.
If I slap you, your mouth will just close in 1 minute. Nonsense. The last time we talked about school, you two did not pay any attention to it. So I want us to talk about it now. Holiday is almost gone. I want you two to start making arrangements to go back to school. You cannot be idling away in this house.
Sorry, I don't want to go to school. Yes, school is not our thing.
Rose, Jack.
What do you mean you don't want to go to school again? School is not your thing. I don't understand. Okay, fine. If you don't want to go to school, what do you want to do then?
I want to make money. I want to be millionaires. So we'll get plenty money. So that Uncle Achebe will know that we can be something and somebody in life. Yes. And I want to be millionaire. In fact, both of us want to be millionaires. So that Uncle Achebe will know that no condition is permanent. Yes. We want to show. I give me petite, I Julius Bote.
Like this?
Yes.
No, I want to understand how.
Like, have plenty money, plenty cars.
Plenty cars.
Yes.
And who will be driving it? You two. Listen, education is the foundation that will give you the prerequisite to make this money and become the millionaires you are aspiring to be.
Education will not do anything. I like school. Who school help? School not scam. School no help anybody. You need just go feed the go for the near gate. Me, I want to open big shop. I want to be selling cars. My sister here was selling their hair. Big shops, everything.
I hope the people will not come to the shop and buy you too. Instead of buying the things you put on the shop, and just buy you too and sell it to slave trade.
That's why we are in school and scam.
You spell scam. Can you?
SKARM.
You see? Look at him. Empty brain. Hey! How do you spell millionaire? Spell it.
Allow them breathe.
Please.
MITM.
Bet of a feather. It's you know it's in Patakanti body. You're trying to tell him to agree to your proposition.
We both have agreed.
You both have agreed.
Yes.
Not to go to school.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Don't break that table. On this table. Somebody's asking.
I said don't break it.
Come and stand here.
Stupid boy.
Are you afraid of beating?
Congratulations, my dear friend. You now have your visa.
Oh, yes.
Good. You see, this is why we need to act very fast right now and have a whole lot of money. Lot of money that can make us happy. Very happy. And we can live in peace ever after.
Jamal, please, we need to understand it.
What? You wouldn't fuck this up with me, bro. Read my lips. I'm not capping. You were supposed to make that girl fall in love with you. Oh, now you have your visa. So what do I have? Nothing. Chief, her father, messed with me. He took everything away from me. The joy, the happiness, every inch and iota of happiness in me died. He laid me off.
Johnny, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Were you able to meet with Michael?
Yes, sir. I did, and trust me, we had some favorable response. I was going to communicate with you tomorrow at the office.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about it tomorrow at the office.
All right, sir.
Where is she?
Chief, she's my girlfriend now.
And you don't want your girlfriend to greet Chief?
It's not like that. It's not like that. Maybe she doesn't want to. Come and say hi to Chief. Come and greet Chief. Oma, this is my boss.
I'm fine.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Chief, of course, I was coming to tell you that we're about fixing our traditional marriage at the moment from now.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
All right, sir.
No, I take exception to that. A man will always be the head of the family. For the fact that you make more money than him does not justify that you have to be above him. You are there to compliment him, not compete with him. Please.
Okay, in Enyola's voice, as long as I make more money than him, he is nothing but just a normal spam donor, period. I mean, I can't work my ass off and he will have the credit of being head of the house. Please, head of the house, my foot.
That is why the divorce rate is very, very high.
couples killing themselves for no reason. Imagine even young ladies killing their spouse, all in the name of it's my rights. I beg make una leave matter for Matthias, Jerry. Eh? You see, everybody don't turn rebel for this country. Feminism crickets everywhere. I beg please let's just leave that matter because Hello, Chief darling. Hey, Chief, I'm fine, no. Hey, this is what you call me, but it was a sweet meal. I have missed. Excuse me. I'll be right back. I have missed you so much. Chief, for this is when you call your girl like this. Hey.
That's why she's not married. Please don't go there near. Just because you're married does not mean that every single lady is a whore. Yes. And I know you've not actually forgiven her. But you're lucky she wasn't here when you said this. If not, should have beaten you. Eh?
Right here for you. Chief. How do you want it? What?
I'll buy you a car.
A car for me? Yeah. Oh my gosh, come on.
Yeah, Chief.
Oma.
What were you doing with Chief?
Nothing. It's nothing. I can actually explain.
Okay.
You need to calm down.
All right, explain.
Okay, it's the other day. Jamal,
you don't know what to say.
Your spirit is high. You need to calm
Oma,
down.
I don't ever want to see you near me or anywhere around my house.
Jamal, what
now,
are you saying?
Get out! Get out! I don't want to touch you. Get out of my house. Get out! I'm talking to you. I don't want to lay my hands on you. Get out! Get out! Come on, get out!
Jamal.
I don't ever want to see you here. Okay?
Jamal, what are you doing?
Stupid entity.
Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow.
Wait. Are you telling me the truth? Okay, he lay his filthy hands on you because of what happened.
Chief, he dealt with me. He did not have mercy on me. He beat me up, he threw me out. It was even people passing on the road that helped me stand up. You need to save me, Chief. He scattered all of my things. I don't even know where I'm standing, Chief. I don't know. I'm just standing around.
I will soon drive out and I'll come and see you. I will take you, we'll go to somewhere and settle all this. I will handle it. He's a small boy, eh? Okay? Okay, just calm down, eh? Calm down, please. Just calm down. Good. Good. All right. Yeah. Okay. In the next few minutes, I will be with you.
Okay. Chief, he dealt with me. Okay, I'm not crying. No, I'm not crying. Okay, I'll just stay somewhere and wait for you.
Okay. Talk to you later. Bye for now. All right. This little boy. So this boy is not challenging me. I will teach him a lesson. My good friend, you are always funny. But I told you I will make a trip to Dubai, a business trip. Yes, I did. I remember discussing this with you now the last time we met at that club. Yeah. Honestly, what is funny about this? What is funny?
Chief. You said 20%.
Hey! Oh, no, don't tell me I did not tell you. I told you. Yes. Yes, I did. Yeah, what about that babe? Yeah, will I be lying to you? You know you're my best friend. There's not, no. My trip, by next tomorrow. Chief, by next tomorrow. Chief. Yeah. All right, I will call you back. I will talk to you later.
Chief, this is a sack letter, sir.
Whose name is there?
My name, sir.
So what do you want to know? You are sacked.
No, now, Chief. No, now, Chief.
Leave this place. Leave my office.
I served Chief for 5 years. 5 freaking years! What did I get in return? Nothing! Nothing! Not even a penny. May I remind you, I lost my mom. I lost my mom in the process. I went to Chief. I begged, but instead I was bullied out of his office with the security. And you're here telling me to take it easy! If you do anything stupid, I'll fucking fuck you up!
Jamal, you don't need this, please. This is a gun. Just bring down your hand. I was going to tell you.
Oh, come on! Ray, you were supposed to act according to my instructions. The deal was for you to make her fall in love with you. But instead, you fell in love with Mimi. Now you have your visa. So what do I have to show for it? Nothing!
You don't need this. Honestly, you don't need this. You can't be doing this, okay? I understand your pain. I sincerely do, but...
Raymond.
hope the AC is active.
Very.
You have to just manage.
No, very. I'm comfortable, don't worry.
Okay.
So, where are you taking me to?
We go around, then drive around, sightsee, then...
Is that the surprise?
No, not only that, but I will tell you. You know, if I tell you, it's
It's no longer a surprise. I understand. I'm so excited. I like this area, this particular place.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, you people's side is more peaceful now.
It's more peaceful, but I love this. I love this in particular. Maybe
because of the trees.
Yes, maybe you take me there.
Okay, it's okay.
Today?
If you want.
Oh, thank
you. Anywhere you want, baby.
Thank you.
Anything to make my baby happy.
Oh, please don't make me shy.
Oh, the idea is for me to impress here. So I'm definitely going to impress my baby.
Oh. Please, let's go already. I can't wait. My phone is fully charged.
Okay,
I need to snap
pictures and make videos. I get it.
I need pictures. I need pictures.
We're almost there. Oh,
but this place is beautiful. I love it.
Not like you people's side. Hello.
Yeah, but that place, you know, now our side is too calm. But I like this place. So kind of, you look at, you see things like, you see where they sell all these sweets, all these local things. You can come out and buy things or just on the road, but as you have to get to the supermarket to buy all these things.
I get it.
It's so exhausting. It's so exhausting.
I get it. Yes, here you have Malam and all these people.
Yes, exactly. You get my point now. You can just buy things there. Maybe while coming back, there's this sweet that I love, all this local sweet. You buy one for me.
Is it Tamfili?
Sure, it's Tamfili. I don't want to punch.
Oh, Baba Juju.
Anyone at all. Which one is Tamfili again?
Sorry, my serenity.
Oh, sorry, no, sorry. Don't worry, we're going to fix it.
Yes,
We're going to fix it. Take it easy, okay? We'll fix it, okay?
It's okay.
We're almost there, right?
Yes, just around the trees there.
Okay.
It's already looking like a garden, right?
Yes. So fine. Very beautiful. Yes. My phone. Where's my phone?
from here. What happened?
Madam, what were you saying?
Barrister, Mimi has been kidnapped. What? Yes. And the kidnappers are demanding for a ransom of 100 million.
Oh my goodness. Have you called the police?
Yes, Yemi just left. And we have given him everything he may need.
Okay.
Yes.
Who would have done this to Mimi? She's harmless.
Barrister, let them not hurt my daughter. I'm of the opinion we should give them the 100 million immediately.
Yes, immediately, madam. Let's see what police is going to come up with at the end of the day. Please, nothing is going to happen to her. Please.
Kidnap
just
one
take
no
it easy.
No, kidnap one no. Hey! Do you know they might be raping her now?
Oh, no, madam, no.
They like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so not try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Not try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, ya be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you.
Where be Jackson Street? Hi! Oh, now let's just looking now. Let's be looking now. Wait, what? These people know this. Auntie, please, do you know where is Jackson Street? Please be with this signboard. They don't know. Now, where did you see signboard here? See these people that is living in the city. They don't even know Jackson Street. That means everyone will be my village. Oh. Let's just go regret this thing now. And I mean, if I'm regretting it, why won't you regret it? Let me pass this so we meet. Where do you know that we meet? Over in Makowe, cross over here, whatever. To even be what? Let's just be going straight. Anywhere we come out, we know that we came out good. Because I don't even like this kind of thing. We have lost our way. It's okay now. I don't know where I'm going to. These are these people inside. Huh? These are these people inside. Hey, see, this one is Dennis clothes. This place is not Jackson at all. It's not Jackson at all. Seven, are you saying no?
Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what if they...
She's lose you. Please get him. Airport with what? What can you do? Can't you see gun in their hand? Let's run. Eh? Let's run. Officer, I want to tell you something. Yes.
What is it you want to tell me?
Happiness, everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea. Oh, this is painful. Oh yes, I know. This may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love idea.
We must be grateful to those two young geniuses, Jack and Rose. They made it easy for us to nab those kidnappers without stress.
That bastard, Raymond, after everything Mimi did for him.
His friend Jamal confessed his reasons for his actions. Even at that, crime is never a solution.
Oh my God. Inspector, thank you very much. I cannot fail to appreciate you. You've done so well. How about my genius? My children? Jack? Rose? Huh? Please come.
Troubles on children, wahala dey for the side. We only want take our loans. Troubles on children, wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love. They like trouble, not try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love. Which kind children be this, yo? Not try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, ya be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh, oh, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what do you know like